What's going on, guys? Welcome once again. It's your boy G. We're here in the bird room. So this is one of the pairs of the orange cheek wax bills. Birds are amazing. They're beautiful. The male has the white band on his leg. As you can see, the cheeks are darker orange. He's a little bit bigger. The breast is a little bit lighter in the color. That's the female. They're doing great. So this cage is not the cage for them. They're just here temporarily. If they breed, great. If not, it's okay. Doesn't really matter to me. So for the bronze mannequins, same thing goes for them. If they breed, fine. If not, it's okay. Come on, let's go to the perch. They're cute little birds. That's the male with the yellow band, and the female doesn't have one. And these are the Indian silver bills. That's the male. That's the female. Nothing really pretty to look at, but just the simple fact that I know I have a different species is what counts. So that's that. And then we have the tricolor munia. Tri means three colors. That's what I'm guessing, you know. You're more on the wild side, wild thing. Jeez. Relax, brother. So these birds gotta be in bigger cages. They need to be in the 3 by 18 by 18, okay? And the only reason they're in this now because the bird room is limited. So the only way they're gonna be in a bigger cage is by me doing the bird room next door, and I am going to do it. So I'm gonna cut down on the pigeons because the finches is getting to be more exciting for me than the pigeons are. I love the pigeons, love the racing, love the whole thing, going to the club, pigeon club, you know, shipping the birds, coming home next morning, waiting for the birds. Look at the wax bill up there. There's the Indian silver bill next to the parrot finches. The bronze mannequin. One of the males is paired up with the female next to double owl finches, and then the mannequins over there. Can't do that because then it won't focus. All right, I'm gonna open this up. Don't freak out, guys. It's okay. There's one of them. Both of them, actually. I'd rather have them loose over here than in a cage locked up, you know. So, but I need to make the pairs. That's why I put 2 in a cage and the other ones are loose, so they can do their thing. And it's a nice, you know, add to the selection to look at. You know, it's fun to look at new birds. You know. So we have, I think, eggs in there. I don't know about there. I know we have eggs in here. It's going. I'm gonna clean this Saturday. I'm gonna clean the bird room. Yes, I am. So let's go back to the normal birdies that've been here. I got some stories to fill in. This pair of societies, a very good pair. Very good. She has raised over 7 Goulians at one point, 5 owl finches, whatever, parrot finches, grass mass finch. They raised. For whatever reason, they threw out 4 owl finch babies and killed them, and only left the first one born. This one was the first one born, and as the other ones were born, she would toss them out. And I don't know what the reason is for this. You know, egg food, I give the greens, vitamins, calcium, you know, eggshell, everything you can imagine, I give. Dry egg food. So I don't know why for this type of behavior. This is the first time she has done it. So I lost a lot of owl finches there. And over here, only 1 egg wasn't born. Everything else was. So we have 4 babies here. Look at those pouches filled up. That's what I'm talking about. So we have all that there. We have 1 here. And we got some over there. And she's going in her nest. And she's going to start laying eggs any day now. We have some eggs in here. And eggs over there. So these society finches, I just grabbed them out of the aviary. And I just placed them here. So they're not laying on the eggs no more. They were dummy eggs. I put real eggs. And they were catching vein. And they weren't really laying on them. They were just, you know, standing on top of them. Not enough to really incubate the eggs. So I put them back. And over there they had 4 dummy eggs. And I just put them back over there. So we have to wait and see if the eggs are good because of the situation that they were in. And go from there. But we have 5 fertile eggs in here, 5 fertile eggs in here. We have baby in here. I don't know what this baby is from. Okay, I thought it was gonna be Goulians, and it's not. It's not Goulian. See, it's not a Goulian. I don't know if it's like a shaft tail or cutthroat. Cutthroat's probably too light, but that one is split to white. So I don't know. I don't know. I gotta take these babies out of here. They're all big societies. Look at our field nest. What I'm talking about. These babies will be born soon. You know, so, and these will be able to get some eggs again, but I'm gonna see if the parrot finches, they're gonna start laying any day now. That's for sure. They're gonna lay any day. Them and the star finches. So I'll leave them ready. And guys, I have bought a new nest box. It is smaller, same width. This nest box here is harder to open. I have to use 2 hands. See, it gets stuck. I have really put force. So, gotta be careful. While with this one, voila, easy, okay? I won't never switch from these. These are forever my choice of nest boxes. I just wanted to try. It doesn't hurt to try, you know? It doesn't hurt. And if you're having a lot of success, then I will consider switching. But until then, I am not. Costs $8 something or $8, you know, one little thing. These are $6.50. So I'm not ready to change none of that stuff. And I bought another S76 and another Scat. Okay, I really have to have that stuff on deck. We never know what can go wrong. So, that being said, guys, I showed you guys the birds, the new birds. I'm excited for them. I really have to start working on the other bird room. But I want to start doing that bird room solar heating. You know, if anybody has done solar heating to warm up the any type of area in the outside. We are in New England, and it gets really, 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 really cold out here. Okay? Especially at 1 a.m. in the morning on February nights, you know. It's freezing outside. Freezing. So, I want to know if anybody has worked with solar heating, you know, where the power of the solar heats up the bird room or any type of room you guys have out there. Do you know a specific brand that's good to use? Let me know. Comment down below. I would love to buy it and try it and go from there, because that bad boy there costs money, you know, and I would like to see. Now I'm gonna have a bigger bird room. You know, I'm not in Florida where I can just have this heater just in case, you know, when the temperature really drops out there, but never really does, you know. But they do sometimes, and the birds need to be covered up. But it's no joke when the winter's down here. Okay, Boston, Massachusetts, it's no joke. So I have nobody in that cage. The other birds, the new birds were in there. I did what I had to do to them. The person that they came from, I trust the guy 100%. So there's no reason for me to be worried or panic. My parrot finches, they want to go at it. That's the female right there. That's the male. She lays eggs like crazy. If I take her today, put her in the cage, next week there's eggs. That fast. That fast. I'm not even joking. That fast. But I want to put all these birds. I want to put all these birds in their own cages and breed. These are all birds that sit in here with potential of breeding, but not breeding. Okay? Breeding whenever they want to. It's okay, you know, but Who knows? Start breeding the Indian silverbills. Nice little birds. I'm gonna be picking up more of the Cremino, but I think the other ones are actually albino. You know, all white. This is the Cremino. The other one's like albino with the red eyes. This is the Cremino with the red eyes. So there's a lot of species of bird that I still want to get, you know. These are just some. Diamond firetail. There's a lot of the waxbill family. Look at the parrotfinch. He's singing. He's ready. He's ready. So that's all, guys. I want to get into the canary breeding as well. The Raza Españols. That's the type of canaries I like to breed. And the Russian canary. If that's the Timbrado, those type of canaries I would like to have as well. A little bit of each, you know. And that's it. And just have fun. That's the main thing, right? Have fun. Have success and have fun. And enjoy. That's it. Well, guys, hope everything is well. Like I said, comment down below if you guys have worked with the solar heating system. You know, let me know if anybody has tried it out there. Let me know if it works. Or is it just easier for me just to keep that plugged in and, you know, do what it does best. Keep it warm. Because I wanted to use that as a backup. If the room goes under a certain temperature, boom, that kicks in, you know, as a backup. Not as the main one. And as if the main one doesn't work, then that one kicks in and it stays on as the main one. So you gotta have a backup. You have to have a generator. You have to have these things when you have these birds. Believe me, you really do. A winter storm will come, knock down the power, and your birds will freeze. And then what? Thousands of dollars gone. No way. I'm not risking that. No way. So, that being said, everything else is cool. Everything is good. Guys, comment down below if you guys have orange cheek wax bills, you know, the tricolor munia, the bronze mannequin, the Indian silver bills, and how have you bred them? What did you do, and how was the success? You know, with the African species, once I build the other section over there, I'm gonna put artificial Christmas trees in the cages, and I'm gonna use the 3 feet by 18 by 18, and I'll put a nice artificial little bush type of thing, you know, roll it up like a tube. And in the middle, have an entrance over here and an entrance over here, and big enough circle where they can go in and build their nest. So I'm gonna do that with the wax bills, with the strawberries, with the cutthroats, parrotfinches, grass mass finch. I'm gonna start doing all that kind of stuff, you know. Well, guys, that's the end of it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know in the comments down below. And see you guys soon. Bye-bye now.